So a lot of people out there think that they have to use their own money to get involved in real estate investing. That couldn't be further from the truth. I use absolutely zero of my money to get involved in real estate investing. All I do is borrow enough money to be able to make the purchase, to be able to complete the rehab, but more importantly, to be able to make all the monthly payments on the holding cost, right? Everybody forgets about the holding cost, the interest that needs to be paid, the electric bill that needs to be paid, the sewer bill that needs to be paid. If you know how to properly analyze the deal, you can borrow exactly what you need, not only to purchase the home, not only to complete the rehab, but to make the monthly payments along the way. And voila, at the end, you close on the deal, you walk away with your profit, your investors are happy, and everybody wins. So in real estate investing, there is a different type of lending for each situation. And what we do here at Replace Your Employer is we analyze your situation and we identify the right lender for you to get connected with to make sure that you can complete your real estate transaction.